Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Warden Point, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Spessooty Island, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for